Campers, Dustin here with Pine Acres RV, and I have another super fresh arrival for you guys. This is a 2025 Forest River Wildwood 27RK. Check out the outside of this unit, guys. It's very slick, very beautiful, very nice large awning, LED lights underneath, of course. Check that out. JBL sound system on the exterior, super awesome. You do have a spot you can put a TV and a nice little outdoor kitchen here, a mini fridge, and you have the grill as well with the quick connect just underneath. You also do have on-demand hot water and tons of windows in this unit, guys. Let's check it out. Solid steps coming up in. And wow, look at this. All right, off the bat, we have two recliner chairs with a nice big window behind them. Across from that, we have the Versa Lounge. So this lounge, you can flip this around and you can have a dinette or you can have a sectional couch. This also does drop down, jackknife, and you have a bed. Underneath the dinette and underneath the couch, we do have these pull-out storage bins, which are very nice. Another neat feature I really like is these LED light bars across the whole roof. They are dimmable. You also have some nice accent lights in the slide-out as well. And, of course, our dinette. Back here, we have our rear kitchen. Tons of space in here. Huge, huge pantry. Our Furrion fridge, 12-volt refrigerator. All kinds of space in there. And you might be thinking, where's the microwave? Check that out. Microwave and range hood. Very neat touch. 3-burner Furrion stove. Great size oven. Spot back there, you could put your coffee maker or something. And then over here, if you open up this door here, you have pull-out drawers. Very neat. You have the one-piece sink here. Nice faucet and a very nice window behind there. Over here we have our entertainment area. Shelving all around, which is great for knickknacks and, you know, decor. Great size TV and a fireplace that will throw some heat on those chilly nights with some storage to accompany that. Coming further down the hall here, guys, we're coming into our bathroom. Tons of space around the toilet. Like I said, we do have on-demand hot water in this unit. Tons of storage underneath for your towels. And just check out the arch on that mirror. Very beautifully done. In here, we have tons of space in the shower. If you're tall like me, tons of headroom. And up next, we have our beautiful master bedroom. In here, we have the versatile bed. So it gives you extra space during the daytime. Or maybe you like to sit up and read a book. You have that option as well. Some nice stairs going up. You do have a laundry chute. And some phone storage or phone hookups over there. Some storage up above, some storage on the side there for the other occupant of the bed, and then a very nice wardrobe area in here. Just behind me, we have another very big closet. Tons of clothing space. And right up here, you have a spot you can mount a TV. Okay, folks, so that's a wrap for this beautiful 2025 Wildwood. If you like this unit, come on down to Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke, exit 11, and check it out. Don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com. And don't forget to come check us out at the trailer show. Hope to see you there.